everyone, welcome to Pro-Connect. I'm Donna, and today we have Graham Drury, the Director of Protech Building Products, joining us. Welcome, Graham.
Hi, I'm Graham, and just to fill you in a little bit about Protech Building Products, we've been around since 1990, and we have 5 branches in South Africa. Our main office is in Cape Town. We also have branches in Johannesburg, East London, Port Elizabeth and George. And essentially we source products from local manufacturers and we import and we supply to the industry, mainly the trade industry, contractors, builders, developers, that sort of thing. And our main 4 lines are paint, waterproofing, flooring, which we're going to discuss a bit more today, and then balustrading, stainless steel, everything that goes with glass and frameless showers and that sort of thing.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Graham. So to kick off things, guys, let's dive into some of the products that you want to speak to our viewers about today.
So in flooring, our main lines are LVTs. So LVT stands for luxury vinyl tile. And that's the generic name given to the vinyls. Basically, many years ago we started with laminates, and that was the product of choice for many years. Laminates do have some challenges. They're great products, but they're particularly with moisture, they have many challenges, and so the vinyl products have become more and more popular over the years. So there are 2 types. There's an LVT, luxury vinyl tile, and then there's a stone polymer composite, the SPC, which I'm going to show you now. So for all flooring, whether it's laminate, whether it's vinyl, or whatever it is, you want to have a good level subfloor. So for that we use a self-leveling screed. The product we sell mainly is the Mapei, because it's a superior product sourced from Italy, and the drying times are very good. The product levels very nicely. It's a very nice product to work with. All our fitters who buy from us are very, very happy with the product. Then if we're going to fit the LVT, this is a 2mm plank. So you'll see it's quite narrow. It has a 0.3mm wear layer, which is graded basically as heavy domestic. So it's ideal for use in homes and maybe some lighter commercial traffic, like maybe a creche or maybe a small coffee shop. Then basically the product is installed with a wet set adhesive. So the adhesive is applied to the self-leveling screed or to the floor, and the product is then butt jointed. You can see it's got a butt joint edge, there's no joint. And then afterwards it's rolled with a heavy roller. It's a 72 kilogram roller, and that's because the adhesive is pressure sensitive. So that then makes the adhesive stick nicely, and there you've got your LVT floor. One of the big benefits of the LVT, apart from the color range, the developers like it because of the pricing, but also it's very, very quiet because it's glued to the floor. If you have a lot of animals, this is like dogs and cats, and you don't like that sort of hollow tap noise, then this is a very good product. You have a lot less noise with an LVT. And then the SPC, my apologies. also in the LVT we have a 2.5mm that has a 0.5mm wear layer, so that we use for commercial. So same system, just a slightly different product. Then in the SPC, you'll see it's a much thicker product, so it's a 5mm. It has its own backing, so there's no need for a separate backing, and that is also an acoustic insulator for noise. And you'll see it's got a joint system on it. So this is what we call a floating floor. It doesn't get glued down. It gets fitted together like a laminate over the floor, and that's then used. The advantage of this, the planks are rigid, not totally rigid, but fairly rigid, so you don't see any imperfections. It's always a nice smooth finish on your floor, The other advantage with this product is that it can be installed very quickly. So if your substrate is level, you can come in, do some rooms or do a house and be out the same day. So this is very, very popular in residential, especially with refits in residential.
That's awesome. Fast, efficient and quality driven product. It's absolutely amazing, Graham. And I see that you've got another product behind you there, Super Tin. Super Trim. Tell us about it.
So with any of these systems, getting your floor down is important, but finishing the floor off is very important. So there's a whole range of products that go, so anything from an angle, which you might want to use on a step. You want to have reducers, where the reducers, here we go. So a reducer might be where a vinyl floor meets a tile. We can fit a reducer, and we have in all different colors. There's white, black, there's natural anodized, there's champagne, that's your champagne color.
Beautiful.
So you'll see very nice finishes, and particularly in this range, some of the stair noses. So you'll see, for instance, with this one, it's allowed for your vinyl to fit up against that stair nose, and then if you're fitting vinyl aside also, so you have a very neat, all you see once you've laid it is this little profile sticking here, so it's a very minimalist. So these profiles also imported and distributed around the country, but very good for giving you nice finishes to your floor.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. We've always got to finish off the project well, and yes, with Super Trim, I'm sure we can make it happen. So Graham, tell us about a favorite story and project showcase that you'd love to tell the viewers today.
One of our recent projects, which I'm very proud of, is in the Franco Bay area called Mont and we were involved with the whole painting of the block and the waterproofing at the building. But the building's quite old, and it had some very old balustrading, metal balustrading that really dated the building. So it was quite exciting for us. We had the opportunity to give them a proposal to replace with glass, which they've now done. So if you look at the building, it's in Beach Road in Sea Point, Bon Nouvelle. They've got new glass balustrading on the front, and it really updates the building. It's a way to modernize in a way that doesn't affect, you don't have to change the structure of the building. So that is really nice. It's a beautiful finish.
Oh, that is beautiful. You guys must go take a drive past there by Sea Point side. And Graham, to wrap things up today, tell us where our viewers can get more information on Protech Building Products.
We have our website, it's protechbuildingproducts.co.za, and we're also on Facebook, Protech Building Products, so you can contact us there as well, or you can contact our main line, which is 021 552 7733.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Graham, for joining us. And to our viewers, we'll check in next time for more products, features, and benefits on Protech Building Products. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Graham, for joining us today. And we really enjoyed learning more about Protech Building Products. To our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Should you have any comments, we really look forward to hearing from you. And should you go through Pro-Connect and email us, you will be sure to receive a lovely little gift. And yes, tell us what you think, and we look forward to engaging with you. And we will tune in with you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.